Welcome to this AgDrive video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how field mapping works on AgDrive. To start with, we're going to show you how it works on the computer by going to Fields on the left hand side on the computer dashboard. From here you can then add your fields into AgDrive in two different ways. First of all, you can actually import your fields by clicking on Import in the top right hand corner. From here, if you have any shape files that you have existing from either from a tractor's GPS systems or even from another management platform, you can actually export these files directly out of your GPS system, and you can actually import these files as a zip folder into AgDrive as so. So all you have to do is select the customer and then select your file from your file browser. Or you could actually add a field, and what you can do is you can select the owner of that particular field, and then you can actually draw around the actual boundary of the field like so. Making sure we get right into the hedge back along the boundary so that the field is accurate. And as well, what we can do is we can actually move points if we ought to move the boundary to make it correct. Like so. You could also press clear and it would completely remove that boundary that you've just done. Or as well, we can just fill in the actual field details and press add field. Put in the crop as well, the year, we could also associate it with a particular farm, and as well we could actually write in a note if we wanted to as well. And if we're happy with that, we can just press add field, and then like so we've added our first field into AgDrive. We can then add another field and carry on like so. Then once we've mapped more than one field, if for any reason you do need to delete any of your fields, you could then go down and select the particular customer's field that you want to delete. And then from here, you can then select individual fields that you want to delete all at once. Or you can also archive them if you don't want to actually delete them, but then you can restore them at a later date if, say, you've got land let out. From this view, we can also select a particular field, and from here you can actually see the acreage, who owns the field. We've also got a cropping history of that particular field, and as well, if we had any jobs, we could also view the job history of that particular field. On the mobile, you can add fields again by pressing Add in the top right hand corner when you've selected the Fields tab, or you can use the quick shortcut button down below to press Add New Field. You can use the target icon in the bottom right hand corner to target to your location, as well as we can just scroll and use our fingers to then press Add on the pin drops to start drawing the field boundary. This can be done in the field as easy as this, and then once we're happy, we can just press End Shape. Then we can press Save. Then from here we can put in our field details. What crop it is. The year again by pressing the plus icon and using the scrollers. And then we can also select our customer. and particular farm as well. We can also put in the ownership and any notes as well. And once we're happy, we can just press Save Details from there. And there we have our field that we've just mapped from our mobile. All fields can be filter searched by customer or by year, as well as we can actually select particular fields, and the operators can either get directions to the field by Google Maps, or we can actually see the job history of a particular field, like so. Thank you very much for watching this field mapping tutorial. I'm going to leave our contact details in the description below if you have any issues with field mapping or even importing your shape files into AgDrive. Thank you very much for watching.